daripada duit cash out tu, you boleh dapat kahwin tanpa perlu buat hutang. So we had a client, nama dia kalau tak salah Faris, kalau tak salah, young guy, became a client 2 tahun lepas, and he had something similar lah. Dia cakap dia nak kahwin tahun depan, alright. Bought a property, dapat 120,000 punya cash out, guna 40,000 untuk renovation, and dia pakai 30,000 daripada 120,000 tu untuk kahwin. So dia tak payah berhutang, right? He never have to take on any debt in order to go and get married, right? And the property today is positive cash flow by more than RM300 satu bulan. You can do it cara orang lain, which is cara plan, right? Which is cara slow, or you can do it the easy way, macam apa yang kita buat lah, whereby kita gunakan OPM, beli property below market value, dapat duit cash out, and daripada situ kita, then you go and kahwin, right? So ni untuk yang nak kahwin kali pertama ya, yang nak kahwin kali kedua, kali ketiga, tiba nak poligami tu, yang tu this doesn't apply to you, by the way, right? So apa tu, we have today ada property dekat KL yang dah nak siap, bolehlah dapat I think about 80,000 cash out, betul tak LB, right?
Yes.
So that one 80,000 punya cash out. So you can buy that property, rental most likely akan dapat break even, so it will also allow you to go and dapat duit cash out supaya boleh kahwin tanpa perlu buat hutang. So these are the type of property kita akan recommend for you to go and buy untuk kumpulkan modal untuk kahwin, right? So these are properties yang to me macam suitable for that particular goal.